Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and I made a video on this yesterday, how to rotate an item at around something that is not divisible by 360. I couldn't get it to work the way they suggested it, but I got it to work now and it's working. So there's 23 of these. 23 doesn't divide into 360 equally. If we go to Windows, Docker's Transform or Transformation, and right here, if you'll click and put that in the center, we need 23, well, we need 23, so we've got 22 copies. But our angle rotation in Corel will do the math, 360 divided by 23, and hit apply. It put it dead on our points. I thought I tried it early this morning. I've actually, and I apologize if I haven't been answering some of the questions on my YouTube. Somehow I got that turned off where it send me notices. And I just turned it on yesterday and started getting notices again. And I had 3 people comment that this would work. And it does. So instead of having an onboard calculator, you can do it with any number. Doesn't matter how many there are. And, let's just back up here and change this quite a bit. I like changing things. So we've got I'm going to make a 25-sided pentagon. And then just to give it a sharp point, I'm going to go like that, take 2 of these, right click, turn them into a curve to give it just a little bit of a curve look. And so it'll have a sharp point to go by. And always hit P and make sure it's in the center of the page. Then we're going to draw our circle. And we're going to put it on top of here where it snaps to that node. I'm going to bring in my indexing lines. I always do that. I like knowing if it's in the center. Double click on it and move your center rotation to the center. And this time, I'm going to go ahead and press 0 so it won't have anything in there. This time we need 24 copies. So we need 360 divided by 25. And voila, it works. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.